Get your ass in there. The fucking toilet is coming for us. Motherfucking Halen. And I live in my motherfucking Raytown. Look at this shit. Look at my roses. I'm supposed to be in hiding right now. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. My street is flooded as a motherfucker. Sirens is going off still. My car is full. No shit. Look at all this shit coming down the street. You're supposed to be in the front. Look at the clouds. Look at that cloud. Look at this truck. No, the rain is fucking stopping. Here comes the cloud, look. It's lightning now. I don't see any clouds. It's supposed to be coming from Raytown. I'm like, my kids are in Raytown school. Damn! What the fuck is that rolling down the street? Is that an umbrella? What is that? That's a fucking stuffed animal. It's a goddamn bull. Look at the bull. You keep your ass around like a video. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this shit. Look at this poor little bull. Oh my god, are you serious? Wait! Look! He's flying down the street! Sirens is still going off. Me and my neighbor outside. Look, he's over there. You must get right on! Tell me, are you motherfucking crazy? The light is coming down. Look at the clouds up there. Shit, don't send me no tornado, but I'll be up here. Shit. Look at this shit. My phone's all wet. Water damage now. Ugh. Damn it. All my shit flooded. Look at my shit. All flooded. Okay, I gotta go in. My phone can't get no more wet. Tyler, go! Oh, my phone's wet. Did he go in yet?
No.
Hold on, let me wipe my phone off.
Whoa.
You need to be in the bathroom. Stop telling him he need to be in the motherfucking bathroom and shit. I need to wipe my phone off. Damn. I went out there with no damn shoes on, man. Stay in there. Woo. One more round. Ugh. Look at this flooded ass street. Look at it all down there. Can't zoom in. I'm fucking soaking wet. Look at me. I'm soaking fucking wet. Oh. Woo. Okay, fuck this shit. This shit's coming down. I'm gonna have to change my clothes. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Peace, KC. It's your baby girl, KC, and Charlie Brown, man. Waiting on that tornado to come through. Should we be outside? Crazy motherfucker. Alright. See you later.